4 little steps.
Bring your arm towards, yep, towards the pool, guys. That's it.
Artistic landscaping will bring your beautiful dreams to life.
So we're going to bring it over to here, then we're going to bring it over to here, and then we're going to lift it up there.
Yeah, we can get people on here. We can get people on ladders.
Come for it.
We can spread out.
Lovely.
Well, I mean, we're lifting something from the ground up into the air and trying to suspend it. So there always is, you know, the bit of that scrambling effect and making sure that everything is still safe. But potentially, we want to make sure that the beam doesn't come back down once we get it up in space.
Okay, everybody over here in line. We're going to grab the beam, walk over to where you see the tripods. So we're not putting it on our shoulders, we're just carrying it waist high, right?
Sure.
To the little sawhorses. 1, 2, 3.
Pool. Towards the pool.
Steps.
Towards the pool.
Bring over at your end.
Let's swing over. Yeah.
And 4 little steps.
Bring your arm towards, yep, towards the pool, guys. That's it. 4.
There's really only 5, right?
Pretty close. We're in the ballpark.
Okay, so from this stage, we're gonna lift it up, set up on sawhorses. Lifting. 1, 2, 3. Okay. 1, 2, 3. Good. So the ends here, I'll grab the ladder. You're going up. You're looking really good. And yes. 1, 2, 3.
He didn't watch the post. You don't want to get the post at all. Do it. Post it all. Are you up or what?
Yeah, keep it like that.
Okay, up.
Let's do it.
Okay, on.
Down.
Down.
We're
We're
square
going to
on
half
the
an inch
side.
here, Brian.
What's that?
We're going to half an inch in this line here.
I'd say we gotta go your way. About 3/4.
Be up.
Oh, down. Down. Down.
Quarter inch from my line. That's great.
I'm pretty happy right there.
That's everything. Thank you.
Jump forward.
All right. Thanks a lot, you guys. Yeah, we're gonna have snow sitting there for sure.
Absolutely. That's what I was saying. We're just cutting it as big as humanly possible right now.
Artistic landscaping will bring your beautiful dreams to life.